Okay, so I have the Godox V1 for the Canon speed light. I took a chance with this one because I've heard, even though I've heard a lot of good things about it, I've heard not so great things about it. And I thought it was a bit overrated. And I currently use a Neewer Q3 flash strobe for my off-camera flash. This one I'm going to use for both on-camera and off-camera flash. I don't have the trigger with the kit, but I do plan on getting the trigger when I can. I'm actually going on a trip soon, so I think I'm going to bring this instead of bringing my bulky Q3 with me. So this is just a quick unboxing. It's not going to be a review or anything. I'm just going to open it up. Just give me 1 second. Well, here's the box if you want to see it. It's a pretty basic box. I know a lot of people like looking at the box. Instruction manual. The battery, lithium battery. Charger, USB charger. I'm assuming this is where it mounts into. And the cable. Well, I really like the case it comes with. Here we go, the unit itself. Second. There we go. It's not super lightweight, but it has a little bit of weight to it as opposed to your average speed light. It feels pretty good. I'm guessing that's the little modeling light that right there. So yeah, I'm gonna charge it up. I might do some little demos with it a little bit later this evening. So yeah, this is a Godox V1 for Canon. Of course, they have also available for Sony and Nikon. I believe they also have for Fuji and Pentax. But yeah, and also here is the shoe, so you can put it on to like a stand, so you can have off-camera flash or onto the table. But yeah, anyways, again, Godox V1. I'll let you know how it goes. Thank you for watching.